him. Put your hands up! Hands up! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground!
He's still walking. He's still
Go this way. Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up, Joe! Ten 34, 10-1. He's walking. He's still got the gun in his hand. Got a mask. That unit, slow down right there. Watch him.
He's still walking. He's going left back.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
And what street are we on, guys?
East and Ridgeway. He's on East Alley.
All right, we're saying 18th and Ridgeway in the alley.
Don't have. Right, he's up.
All right, southbound 1800 block of Ridgeway. Are we in the alley or in the street? All right,
He's going north, walking slowly.
Which one's coming this way?
are you walking slowly?
You see what?
Going south, southbound walking slowly.
Stop fire. I think I shot off under. He's down. He's down.
1131. Shots fired. Offender down. Offender down in the alley. 1131.
Slowly. Walk slowly.
All right, let me know exact address for you guys there so we have an EMS en route.
Keep your hands up.
Try to clear away for an ambulance.
All right, let's clear away for the ambulance. Let me know where we are at so we can get this ambulance going, guys. Where are we at with the ambulance?
Let's go.
Me too.
I got it. I got left.
We're going to be at about 1820.
I got it.
All right, we have the offender in custody. We're hearing 1820. Are we on Longdale for the ambulance or where are we at for the ambulance?
Guns right there.
20.
Alley for Ridgeway.
All right, 1820 West Alley or Ridgeway for the ambulance. 10-4.
Yeah. 1131. Offender.
Yeah, so we can get this ambulance rolling, guys. Where are we at with for the ambulance?
That fucking guy.
Me too.
I got left.
We're going to be at about 1820. All right, we have the offender in custody. We're hearing 1820. Are we on Longdale for the ambulance?
I got left.
We're going to be at about 1820. All right, we have the offender in custody. We're hearing 1820. Are we on Longdale for the ambulance or where are we at for the ambulance?